Distracted by iPhone alerts, then this solve the problem. Are you at work? You have been distracted by alerts, notification, calls on your iPhone. Then there's one settings that you need to use that stop all these alerts of a thing on your iPhone. This can be accessed within a very short time on your device. Then to do that, just go and enable or turn on do not disturb mode. Come over to the control center control panel, wipe down like this. Now this button where you see Jasper, tap on it, then tap on do not disturb, silence all notification, tap on that. So once you tap on this button, all notification on your iPhone will be silent. Then you can as well access the settings on the phone settings on your device. Just go to settings, then locate and tap on the non-disturb mode. Under focus, tap on focus. So once tap on focus, you see it here guys, it's on. Tap on it. If it is off, tap on it, toggle it on. Then as well, you can decide to add a new focus on your own device. Tap on this plus button. It comes up like this. You can see all these. You can pick any of these that suits you. You can as well add anyone. So add on this one, add custom. From here, you can select any emoji that suits you. Pick any of these. You can use anything that you like as your emoji and select a focus mode that suits you. Then now type name here. Don't let me say at work. Just use the word at work. So it means when you're at work, no distraction of anything. Tap on next. Once tap on next, at work, focus, silent notification, share with friends, turn on custom lock, then schedule turn on, then tap on this button customize. Once tap on customize at work, you can see now here silence notification. If you tap on this edit button, it brings you back to this place. Now people tap on this button, then you can come over and add some set of people to this place. Here is Adesomi and others. Then you can tap on this plus button to add others to this here. So let's leave it that way. Then tap, you know, see that allow notification. So tap on select notification for them. So once all these people try to access you, it will be on silent mode. Tap on done button. Then here tap on app to add some apps to this as well that you don't want to receive notification from. You can tap on this plus to add more apps to this place. Then you can see silent and allow notification. Tap on done. Once tap on done, then here you have this option again. Tap on this option. You have this silence notification, hide notification, so you can pick any of these. Always then dim lock screen. These are what you can do here. Then scroll up again. You can choose from this option. From the screen customization project, you can choose this or this has to do with you. So set a schedule, have this focus turned on automatically at a set time, location, or where using a certain while using a certain app. So you can tap on this to set the location and others. This has to do with you. Then scroll up guys until you do all these things that suits you. Then focus filter help you remove distraction from apps and when focus is on. So now that we've done all this, come back to this place. Then let's go and see the focus again. You should see that focus has been added here. So each time you enable this focus mode, then it will not be distracted. Come over again and come over to this place, tap on do not disturb. You see this the focus mode here. So guys, that is all to customize your focus mode, thereby customizing your iPhone to prevent unnecessary alerts on your device. If you enjoyed this tip and if you don't subscribe, please do subscribe for more updates like this.